Hey friends, a lot of users are encountering this error which says too many concurrent requests. Now, this was common earlier, but it isn't as common now. The reason is that with ChatGPT, they have a limit to the number of requests that they can handle. Okay, if there are too many requests, then it will break down. So, what can you do to fix this part? I would say break down the prompts. Like, for example, if you are writing a very huge prompt, break it down into I need a 1,000 word article on whatever subject it is. Okay, and then wait till it generates the prompt, then write a correction prompt. Okay, now I need so and so structure. You can mention the structure. So basically, this is what I do to counter this problem. If you are going to write a very huge prompt, it will mention too many concurrent requests. So break that prompt and then keep on correcting the suggestions that it sends. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.